Okay guys, welcome back. This is Math 172. We're solving some extra drill problems. This is problem 9. And it says to solve triangle A, B, C, where A is 22, B is 26, and C is 25. All right, so guys, they give us 3 sides of a triangle, so we know this is going to be a ton of the law of cosines. Now remember, the law of cosines goes c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine angle C. Okay, so C is 25. This is B and this is A. So angle C is this one, angle C. We can rearrange this before we start plugging in numbers. So I'm going to add 2AB cos C to both sides. And I'm going to subtract C squared. So this gives me 2AB cosine of C equals A squared plus B squared minus C squared. Okay, so now I can divide by 2AB. So then C equals the inverse cosine of A squared plus B squared minus C squared all over 2AB. Similarly, by doing the same algebra, B is going to be the inverse cosine of A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. And A is going to be the inverse cosine of B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. All right, so now all that's left is substituting in values. So we have the inverse cosine of 22 squared plus 26 squared minus 25 squared all over 2 times 22 times 26. And this is going to be the inverse cosine of 22 squared plus 25 squared minus 26 squared over 2 times 22 times 25. And then the last one, this is going to be the inverse cosine of 26 squared plus 25 squared minus 22 squared all over 2 times 26 times 25. So then 62.1 is angle C. 66.8 is angle B. And 51 degrees is angle A. Now just as a dummy check, let's add them all up. 62.1 plus 66.8 plus 51 gives us 179.9. Well, that's about 180, so we'll take it. So whenever you have 3 sides of a triangle that are given to you, you're going to be using the law of cosines. This has been problem 9.